What it do, people? Back with another video. I know it's been a while since I gave you guys a video, but back out here today. What a wonderful day. Nice, sunny, perfect conditions for some street photography. Oh, my eye. My eye been watering all day. But back with another video, currently on my way to Chinatown. Now, I don't know if I'm gonna take some pictures over Chinatown, even though I like Chinatown per se because it has a lot of people there. But today, I think I'm gonna try to linger around somewhere and try to see if I can get some stuff there. But overall, the weather conditions are great. I can't necessarily complain about the weather conditions. As you can see behind me, there's a lot of sun out here, which means that it's hot. And I have to get some water, because if I don't get no water, then I'm gonna be thirsty. And who wants to be thirsty while they're out here? And my eye keep dripping. Oh gosh. Currently in the, sorry for the shakiness, but this is currently the Chinatown section of Philadelphia. I know it's a little dark, but that's where I'm currently at right now. Just looking for some different stuff to shoot. I kind of like Chinatown because it gives you like you in a whole different world besides Philadelphia, so it's definitely a great place if you want to take street photography to come to practice or to get better. You'll usually find a lot of people over here just going through their busy day and doing work or traveling or going different places. So it's definitely a nice place to come shoot some pictures and take some good subjects. Kind of like it. This is our Market Street. They're doing a lot of changes down here so far. So a lot of construction, a lot of different things. It's my city hall, Philadelphia. So there's usually a lot of people down here, like, cause right now it's like today is Friday, so it's usually busy in the city with people getting off work, different people coming to the city and people leaving the city. So that's my infamous Market Street. I would like to stay on Market Street, but right now it seems like it's a little bit congested, but I'm not really, I don't think I'm really feeling it today. I mean, maybe I should linger around. Let's see. We'll see what happens. Right now I'm just sitting here on a particular block. I'm at like 12th and Chestnut, Philadelphia, so I just camped out right here just to see if I can get some subjects to come to me. It's best, this is the thing I was telling y'all about as far as lingering. It's best just to, you know, sit here in one spot and just wait for your subjects to come to you. That's also a good thing to do also. So here's a little glimpse of where I'm hanging at right now. Literally, it's not that many people, but they come in spurts, so it's best just to sit here and just linger around and just see if you can get something to come to you. Yeah, sometimes you run into other photographers or other people that got different cameras or whatever the case may be. So I ran into this one particular guy, nice gentleman. He got a nice Olympus camera. When did you get that camera? How long you had it?
I had it for about a week, and I just had it fully charged and put an 8 gig SD card in it today. And I anticipate going like 100, 200 pictures. That's like going 100, 200 miles an hour.
Yeah, right. Can I ask you a question? What settings do you use for your photography? Like, do you use manual or you?
Sometimes manual. I can even just go automatic. More my focus is in the narrative, the documentary of it as a culturalist. But my edit game is off the chart.
So when you go out shooting or you take a picture, you usually in auto or are you in manual or you do your own settings?
Like back and forth. I was using like a pop art feature in the camera itself.
Okay.
Going to like a posterized look, an Andy Warhol look.
Okay.
And I could do that also in the edit.
Oh, okay.
I mean,
so what editing process do you use? Do you use Lightroom? Do you use what do you use?
Well, I can use Picasa, a little bit of Photoshop, but I don't use Photoshop to manipulate and move objects around. So I'm more focused on the lighting, the contrast, and the sharpness. Okay. And then letting the camera be in that preview, that autofocus before you shoot it.
Oh, okay. All right, thanks, man. What's your name?
It's Keith.
All right, good meeting you.
Gun Center.
All right, thanks, man. Nice meeting you, Keith. Thanks for the interview. So I'm actually about to wrap up my day. It was a different day. Met some new people, seen some new people. I actually was able to have an interview with a particular guy. Y'all see it soon. I'm gonna put it in one of these videos coming soon. But it actually was a good day. Can't really complain right now. I'm gonna go ahead and take it in because it's getting a little late. Not that you can't do pictures when it's late, but overall today was a good day. I got a couple shots in, and it wasn't really a bad situation. But earlier I experienced a problem that, and y'all gonna hear it. You gotta make sure you set your camera correctly, because sometimes you be such in a rush and it might be difficult for you to do so. But just make sure you take the time to set your camera, because it might be an important shot or a good shot that you wind up missing because your camera wasn't set right. So that's one of my major tips for y'all today and lessons that I learned today. So I want to say to y'all, please like and comment and subscribe. And until the next time, I'm out.